Welcome to Sir G. In today's video we are going to discuss 10 Native American idioms. Walking on air, this idiom, used by the Lakota Sioux, means to feel extremely happy or elated. Walking up the wrong tree, this idiom, used by various Native American tribes, conveys the idea of pursuing a mistaken or misguided course of action. Sitting bull's egg, this term, attributed to the Hunkpapa Lakota leader Sitting Bull, refers to a person who is highly respected or regarded within their community. Pot, this idiom, used by the Navajo tribe, signifies a false front or deception, similar to the phrase all talk, no action. Sisters, used by many Native American groups, this term refers to the three main agricultural crops, corn, beans, and squash, which were grown together in harmony. Trail of Tears, this historically significant idiom refers to the forced relocation and removal of the Cherokee Nation from their ancestral lands to Indian Territory in the 1830s, resulting in the death and suffering of thousands. Circle the wagons, coined by pioneers but integrated into Native American culture, this phrase symbolizes coming together and uniting for protection, as people did during attacks or danger. Eagle eye, this idiom, inspired by the keen vision of eagles and often used by various tribes, refers to someone who has exceptional attention to detail or sharp observation skills. Coyote wisdom, many Native American stories feature the trickster figure coyote, whose actions often lead to unintended consequences. Coyote wisdom refers to the lessons learned from making mistakes or taking risks. Taking the shirt off your back, while not exclusive to Native American culture, this phrase highlights the spirit of generosity and selflessness present in many indigenous communities, where sharing resources was a fundamental value.